Hi, if you want to turn on Dolby Atmos on the Redmi Note 14, then let's find an open settings app. And in settings, we need to scroll down to find the tab sound and vibration. After you tapped it, scroll down till the end and choose sound effects. After that, if you're entering this setting for the first time, you'll need to allow some permissions. And what you can do here is you can enable Dolby Atmos by tapping on sound effects and choosing Dolby Atmos. So you can turn it on for a better sound experience and for more immersive sound experience. So make sure that Dolby Atmos lights up blue and you can see this check mark near the name of the feature. And of course here you can find equalizer as well, so you can choose best preset for you and say the changes using this back arrow. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.